Hi everybody, I am back with another polygel video. So I'm going to be doing a white and clear marble on some accent fingers, and then a nice sheer baby pink on my other fingers. So I'm going to be gluing on my tips with base coat. Actually, I kind of have started to steer away from nail glue. So this is what they look like, and I'm going to be doing almond nails today, and I wanted to give you guys kind of an in-depth tutorial on how to get a really nice almond shape. So I take my curved clippers and I just cut both sides, and you'll see the number on the nail tip. I kind of use that as my guide for the very center of the nail. So you want to clip to the center on one side and then to the center on the other side, and that's going to give you a really even almond shape. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to all of my nails. After I'm done with my curved clippers, I'm going to go in with some straight edge clippers, and I'm going to just clip the sides so they're not as bubbly shaped, because with the round clippers it can kind of tend to give you more circular or round nail instead of almond. So this is what I use to make sure I get that slim shape. So here's what we got with just clipping the tips. If you're going for a stiletto, you can totally leave them like this and just do some shaping on the edges. But I'm gonna go in with my 100-180 grit hand file, and you'll see what I'm doing is I'm gonna file on both sides of the nail to make it pointy, and then I'm gonna go with my hand file and do almost like a rounding motion on the very pointed end. You'll see me do it here. So you're going to do kind of like a scooping motion with your hand file to get that edge rounded. Again, if you're going for a stiletto shape, you can leave that point and only file the sides. Okay, so for the video, I'm using the Macart White Polygel and the Ohuhu Clear Polygel and my Ohuhu base coat. So I'm going to go in and apply my base coat. I'm going in with clear first, so I'm going to be applying the clear polygel to the thumb, my middle finger, and my ring finger, and then I'm going to do my accent nails on my index finger and my pinky. So I'm just applying this like normal. And while you guys are watching this, I just wanted to take the time to say thank you, because we are almost at 1,000 subscribers, and that's crazy. I'm so thankful for you guys, and I really appreciate all your support on all of my videos. I know I'm like self-taught and I I'm not licensed or anything, but this is something that I really like doing, and to be able to share it with people is really awesome, and it means a lot to me. So I wanted to thank you guys for getting us here, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video and all my videos to come. Okay, so for my marble accent nails, I'm going to be squeezing out a little bit of the white polygel on my picker tool, and then I'm going to be putting this in like a diagonal pattern, and then I'm going to add some of the clear polygel. I am going in with a toothpick and just kind of swirling this around until I like the way it looks, and then I'm going to pat it all down and make it look smooth and flawless. So once I cured this, I did the same thing with the pinky nail. I just didn't do it on camera. And this is how they look. I'm going to spray them down with rubbing alcohol and wipe off the sticky layer. Now I'm going in with the same file from before, and I'm doing my normal filing, shaping, and buffing process that I always do. And I'm going to speed this up so it's a little bit quicker for you guys because it can get boring. Here is what the nails are looking like after they've been filed, shaped, and buffed. I'm going in with a sheer pink gel polish, and I did 2 coats of this on camera, but I actually ended up doing a 3rd coat, so keep that in mind. So like I said, I did end up doing a 3rd coat of the pink polish, but now that that's all done, I'm just going in with my Beetles gel top coat. This is my favorite top coat, by the way. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that before, but this is like my 3rd bottle of it, and I absolutely love it. Okay guys, so here's what the nails ended up looking like. I think they're really cute. The marble is really pretty, and it's really cute for spring with the bright pink, or not the bright pink, the pastel pink. It's really pretty, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I just wanted to thank you guys again for being such a good support system. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!